Hi! Magandang kamusta? Manigong bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Ako ay nagpa-pop up lang just to make sure you guys are still here. At sana supportahan nyo pa ang channel ko for next year. A lot of things is gonna happen in this channel. One of those is a vlog post, of course, and 2 segments. Again, I will continue doing some of the previous ones that I did not continue because I was so busy. Yung hindi ko naman sinasabing maganda ako, ang akin na hindi ko pangit segment because I think everybody loved that. So I'm gonna continue to do that. So it's not gonna be like a makeup tutorial thing. It's just something I like to do. And if you find something helpful, then awesome, right? And also, I'm gonna be doing the Tagalog time with my daughter, and hopefully she learns a little bit of Tagalog. And the other one is the one that I'm very excited about, is to talk to you guys about OFW issues, like for example, how to cope with homesickness or how to start prepping for your documents if you want to go abroad and stuff like that. I know some of it changed, but I'll try my best to research on all those topics. And if you have any questions regarding those, leave it in the comments below. I would very much love to answer them for you. If not, I will try to ask someone and then I will refer that to my videos, okay? And disclaimer, I just want to make sure that you guys still know that I have been away from this channel simply because I can't handle 2 channels at once, but I will really try to cater to my Filipino audience because I really do love interacting with my Filipino audience and Filipino subbies. I really enjoyed you guys, and over time I noticed that I am leaning towards watching a lot of more Filipino vloggers because I really miss Philippines. It's one thing that I'm looking forward to, is to visit, and hopefully that happens next year. If not, then I just hope that something happened that will kind of make it okay. You know what I mean? Not being in the Philippines. So there you go. What are your New Year's resolutions? Let me know in the comments below. And in my case, I just want to make sure that I'm stepping up my YouTube game this year because I really want to take it seriously. So, ayun lang. Pasensya na kayo kung nag-English ako kasi mas madali sa akin yun eh. Ewan ko ba? My train of thought lately is mas mabilis ako magsalita ng English. Nagtatagalog ako, nabubulol ako. Ano ba yan? Gosh, pakimatukan nga ako ng konti para naman maging normal na ako ulit. Ayun. So, ayun lang. Namiss ko kayo. At sana maganda ang pasok ng bagong taon sa inyo. Sana umepekto ang mga bilog na prutas, ang mga tawag doon, ang mga tasty bread na naka-layers sa inyong mga kapagkainan. Sana umeffective talaga siya. At sana ang pagtalon nyo ay epektibo. Sana talaga tumangkad kayo. Kung hindi naman, sana safe kayo. Okay? Kasi ayoko nang maputukan kayo. Okay? Yun lang naman ang akin. Just be safe. Okay? Ayun, so thank you so much and have a wonderful new year. See you guys next year. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.